Hello guys, tayo magkape. How to say Monday to Sunday the Japanese Philippines. Monday, the Japanese Kitsuyubi. The Philippines Kawit Lubi. Tuesday, the Japanese Kalubi. The Philippines Palau Lubi. Wednesday, by the Japanese Sol Yubi. The Philippines Baak Lubi. Thursday, the Japanese Mukulubi. The Philippines is Agun Lubi. Friday, the Japanese Kim Yubi. The Philippines Hokal Lubi. Saturday, the Japanese Duyubi. The Philippines Sakulubi. Sunday, the Japanese Michayubi. The Philippines Pisar Lubi. Bye.